Good morning, guys. Welcome back. We are on our way to pick up the engine block with new cam bearings, the pistons, and also that bag of crap that came off my heads because they totally forgot to give me that when I picked up my heads. But we're on our way back to Hood's Performance to do that, and then we're gonna bring it back up here. It's supposed to rain today, so we're just gonna get that basically on the back of in the bed of the Dodge and put a tarp over it for now until it
I don't even know if that's a good idea.
we need to put it somewhere
Because your bed's probably gonna hold water.
yeah I don't know, we'll figure something out. We'll get it put somewhere with a tarp and kind of keep that out of the weather. But it's July 4th weekend, so we probably won't be working on it this weekend. So today's Friday. We'll probably start working on Monday, and then hopefully we get it done and in the truck and maybe running next week. I don't know, we will find out. So catch you guys here in just a minute. Alright guys, so we got everything. Pistons, old pistons. This is the block. We'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, as you just seen, we picked up the block, the pistons, and whatever I had left up there. Pretty sure some bolts and some whatever else, I don't know.
And I found something.
And Zach, yeah,
really bad.
Zach found a nice block that he wants that's kind of hard to find.
And it's been decked and prepped.
Yeah. And it's actually fairly cheap for what it is and what they've done to it already, because what they did to it is deck and prep is
that's already $650.
Yeah.
So that makes the block $225.
Yeah. So it's $875 for a, what was it, a 30 over
400 small block.
I don't know exactly what cubic inch that makes it because we don't know. But yeah, so Zach might get that for Lolly if he can ever sell his 350.
Yup.
And then so we've got a long week starting next week. Oh man, I'd like to see that thing running next week. I'd like to, but we still have to pull out the fuel system and that freaking intake because you can't get the dang lines off of it out of the four-wheel drive. And then I've still got to pull out the fuel system out of the V6 because we have to swap it. They're not the same. So the four-wheel drive shouldn't be too bad. I'm just gonna yoink a hole in the bed and just pull out the whole fuel pump and swap over the fuel pump and everything. Not sure about my daily, the V6 one. Might do the same thing and just make a little latching open door above it, just in case it ever goes out. But kept the old pistons and wrist pins, and
because why not?
Yeah, because why not? I mean, it's our first rebuild. Kind of reminds us that we can do this, but we're not there yet. So so the next time you see us, it'll be Monday, and we'll be putting together that small block Mopar. What?
Here we go. We haven't mentioned anything in our previous videos, which have already been scheduled on the schedule we've made. From now on, every Monday at midnight, a video will be uploaded.
Yeah.
Because we have so many videos in advance now.
Yeah.
That, yeah, every Monday, which you guys will have already kind of figured that out by then because we have like 7 videos before this one.
Yeah. Today, as the day we recorded this, is what day is it? It is the July the 3rd. July
Friday.
3rd. And you guys probably won't see this until like August.
Probably, yeah.
So
maybe even September.
Maybe even beginning of September, because we, at the current moment, have 4 videos uploaded and scheduled for the next 4 Mondays at midnight. So you know, you guys are like 7 weeks behind what we're actually doing. So, see, we are doing this right. We've got a schedule, and I'm feeling good about it. We're gaining subscribers. You know, we've continuously got views on the channel, and you know, it's looking up from here at this point forward.
Yep, we're taking this serious.
Yeah,
so.
Most definitely. So we hope you guys are enjoying what we're doing. I know we do. So, but anyway, we will see. The next thing you guys will see will be us on Monday, and we're gonna finish with this motor. So we'll see you Monday. All right, guys. Welcome back. It's now Monday. I know the last thing you guys seen was us picking up everything from Hoods. It's now Monday. It's actually July 4th weekend, so had a good July 4th. But today, to continue with this episode, we got our nice shiny new pistons here from Hoods back. Same connecting rods, just new pistons. But we're gonna be putting the rings in. So we're gonna get started with that. It's gonna kind of be fast-paced motion through this. But let's get started. One piston with rings. Simple as that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these 7, and then we'll get back to you after that. Alright guys, and now we've got pistons are ready to go in. We've already got one in. I didn't record that just because I just wanted to make sure I could, you know, actually do it. But we're about to put this other one in, and let me make sure. And then you get, where'd the trusty rusty beater make? Yeah. Get your trusty rusty beater. And you just kind of tap it in. Tap, tap, tap it in. Took 24 minutes to put pistons in. That's not bad. Wow, that's funny. But we have pistons in. Now we just got to put the caps on and tighten them down to spec. And we will be minty golden to do everything else to it. Alright, we're going to figure out this. I'm not entirely sure why that moves, but we'll figure that out. But next thing, it's heads, lifters, rocker arms, putting it all back together, and should be ready to go in the Dodge, in the Dakota. So we're going to go take a little bit of break for a minute, and then we'll be back. So we'll catch you guys in there. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends. We'll catch you in the next one. It started raining on us, so we're just going to end it right here. So we'll catch you guys next time.